Hey everybody, Jim King out here in Kansas City. This is a little project here is a block foundation renovation. We'll go inside here in a minute. It's from my friend Yolanda Nero. She's a lady pastor here in town, and been friends with her. We did her church back, I don't know, it's been at least 10 years ago. And she bought this little house here and she wants to restore the basement, so she contracted it out to me, and let's take a look on the inside. Some of the basement's stone, some of it's block, some of it's concrete. We're going to come in here and restore it. If you check the videos out on Facebook and YouTube of the job we did in Prairie Village, Kansas, this is going to be very similar to it, except it's a very much smaller basement. So we'll fix all the cracks, come in here with the steel mesh, and then our King Piers recipe of high strength concrete. Let that dry, and then we'll paint it, repair all the cracks on the floors, paint the floors, and that'll wrap it up. King Piers, Kansas City, for all your foundation repair needs. Give me a call, 816-521-8915. Thank you.